Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. So welcome to Femem NY. For today's video, I'll be unboxing this beautiful product from youbacked.com. And after that, we'll show you how to decorate this with balloons. Alright, with that said, I'm excited to open this up. So this is a set of 3. It comes with a stand and the cover. And it comes in 3 separate bags. Look at this. It's easy to carry around. And the name of this is Closet Stands Backdrop Decoration. And if you want to get one of these, please visit our website at www.youbackdrop.com. And please use our code FEMMY to get a 10% discount. They have a free shipping worldwide. Alright, let's open this up. Look at this, guys. It's nice and light, and this is aluminum alloy, and this is what I like about Huge Balloon because it's so sturdy and light and it's easy to assemble. Alright, so I started with the smallest size, and it's easy to assemble because you can see it's numbered, so just match the number. Connect it like that, lock them in place. Alright, so it's now open, so we will just match the number. So as you can see, it's numbered 3, 2, and we have number 3. Just matched it right there, and just snap this in place. And then number 2, 2 and 2, match this in place. See the shape? So now we have number 1. And 1, just matched it in place, snap. Look at this shape, I like that shape. It's a cloud shape. 6 and 6. See, the best thing about this is so light. Light, but it's so sturdy, and there is beautiful. Look at this, guys. So it's so easy to assemble. So you'll do the same thing on the other 2 sets. All right, so this time I'm going to show you the cover. All right, and this is the cover, guys. You can either use this or the other side. You can have them customized, or if you want to order a plain color, different color on both sides. The material is nice. Alright, just like that, guys. Look at this, it's beautiful. So now, to make it nice and smooth, we will put the zipper up. Just like that, guys, and you do the same thing on the other 2 sets. And there you go, guys, this is the 3 sets that we got from youbacked.com. Now we will decorate this with balloon. We will bring this outside so we can put balloons on top, since this is too high. Alright, so we have our balloons. So I already inflated this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a balloon snake. It doesn't matter the size because it's gonna be an organic balloon garland. Alright, so what I do is like put this quads like that, and I will use our 260 balloon. I'll tie this on our first quad. So I do all my balloons, all the colors, you know, in quad. Put them in quad, just like that. And then I will continue on. Already got this, so just put this on top using your 260 balloon. Just like that. So I'll put 3 and then 3 of the other color. So I will continue on with another color. Just like that. So as you can see, they're not the same size because this is going to be an organic garland. So now I'll take the collar. Alright, so far this is the snake that we made. It might be shorter or long, but we'll see. We'll bring this out there. Okay. Alright, I'll also inflate our purple balloon, a huge one. So I like it nice and round. So you can also attach your 260 balloon or rubber band. And later on you can attach it right there, okay? Alright guys, we're here outside. We're ready to mount the balloons. As you can see, it's beautiful. So I will show you guys the back, what we did. So at the back, I put the weights here. So, you know, if it's windy, it's gonna stay in place. And I have the ladder right here, so I can step up here and I can mount the balloon on top, okay, because it's all high. And I will be using these clips, so we can mount the clip at the back. We can mount it here, and that's where the balloon is gonna hold in place. So on this side, put the 260 balloon, put it right here, and then we'll attach the balloon using this. Alright, so we get the balloon snake right here, so we will mount this. And I'll be using this. This is a camping stake, and I attach 260 balloon. I will mount this on the ground, and then this is where the balloon is gonna get hooked to stabilize your balloon on the ground. Put this on the other side. So at the back, so this is where you connect. Just like that for now. So we have attached also got this. So now we're ready for our fillers, and we have a rubber band. These are 5 inches balloons. And there you go, it's finally done. I hope you like this. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Once again, thank you YouBackdrop.com for this beautiful product. And once again, if you want to get one of this, please visit our website at www.youbackdrop.com. And please use our code FEMBAMNY to get a 10% discount. They have free shipping worldwide. And we'll put the link in the description down below for this beautiful product. And once again, this is FEMBAMNY. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.